I was kind of worried about you because you get motion sickness.
No motion sickness.
No motion sickness? That worked out. Alright, so it's like 3 p.m. We just made it. We had a heck of a night and we finally made it to Epcot. We're gonna be here all day, but we had too much fun last night. It was worth it, right?
Yes.
Lots of sun right now. And we're headed to Test Track. First time getting on here, huh? I'm pumped. It's a beautiful day. It's like in the 70s. It's excellent. This is how we look. This is from after yesterday. So what I didn't get on tape was, I got a little bit of Raglan Road, but not what happened there. And we're not gonna talk about what happened there. It was a good time. We got there for last call. That's
I don't remember that.
I had 2 lapu-lapus and a back scratcher as well at the Taboo Land, so it was a great night. And today's gonna be even more fun, so. Ready to rock, babe? Awesome, right? That was fun. It was even more fun than I remember it being. #1, baby. #1 car in the house. There's our awesome car up there. One of today's most capable. Beast.
And I want you working together as a team. I'll be your captain, and in a few minutes I'll give all of you specific assignments.
Are you ready? Ready to rock? Ready to get sick? Hopefully not.
Lighting float.
#1.
Attention trainees.
There you go, baby.
We'll activate hypers.
You're the engineer.
Also, don't kill us. Give you the go.
Don't.
In the event of an
Are you prepared for your impending doom?
Personal items in the compartment in front of you.
You okay, babe?
Feel motion sickness already.
You already feel the motion? It hasn't even started. What are you feeling right now?
Good luck, team. All of us here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the tower is clear. You're looking good, team.
The weightlessness?
Pilot, pull back. Watch the canyon wall. Pull back. Hang on. Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the land.
We did it! I was kind of worried about you because you get motion sickness.
No motion sickness.
No motion sickness? That worked out. What's up? Coca-Cola Pimp My Ride. We're pumped. We're so pumped. It's a pretty day too. I love it. I love beer. Boy, was that fun. Thank you guys for coming to our page. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in Mexico. Or we'll see you at another time.